They're all brothers and sisters. I mean, two sisters and one brother. They're all related. This is right on the main street in San Francisco, right in front of the Westfield Mall. They go to the conservatory school for classical music. They're all well versed. Only here in San Francisco, my friends, can you see this wonderful, beautiful music by these children. And they're so professional. I can stay here all day and watch these guys. Along with my monster. He likes it too. Very quiet, you know. Yay, bravo!